tree, isn't he? Okay. Oh, Grandpa's hair is a mess. All right, look over here at the camera. Smile. Give me a thumbs up. All right.
Look at that American flag.
Yeah, isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got a recording going. So when we get done, we'll be able to see everything that you saw when we were on the track.
Yeah.
All right, we're ready to go, everybody. So yeah, these are going to be really slow laps. This is not what Grandpa drives when I'm out here for real, because this is just an opportunity for anybody. Look, there's even a pickup truck.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
A pickup truck, and there's like an SUV and another SUV and another pickup truck. So anybody can come out. So it's just to kind of see how the track goes. So we'll be able to see, and I'll tell you as we're going around, okay, the different corners and where Grandpa drives for the best lap time.
That guy's number is 44. The truck's number is...
The truck's number?
There, the gray truck.
He's got a 44?
Yeah. On this pickup.
Oh, you know what? That's a good eye. That's very good. That's actually a 4x4. It means it's a four-wheel drive vehicle. Very, very surprised that you could see that even. Okay, this is what's called the pit lane.
I see.
And he's the pit marshal. So he's telling people when to go and when not to go. And we're on pit lane right now, and you see how you go down to the end of pit lane, and that's where we get on the real track.
Yeah.
Can you kind of see it down there?
Yeah. I see the blue and white things.
All right, we're going to be behind a Corvette, like Grandpa's old Corvette.
Yeah.
So we're coming down the pit lane, and we're just about to get on the track. And here's where we get on the track. So we're going to stay all the way to the left.
Look, that red car isn't going any near the blue car.
That's because they don't really know how to go. Grandpa knows how to go. But we stay all the way to the left until we get up to this corner. This is called a corner, and these things are called gators. We're going to run over it. It'll be like a rumble strip. You ready? Did you hear it? So then we hang really close to this corner all the way around. As we're going around, I want you to see these little huts. They're called gazebos. Do you see that little one with the blue roof? Now look up in the distance and you're going to see another one.
I see the blue.
Do you see it?
And we're headed right towards...
That's right. Those are what we call corner workers. And they have flags. Now they're not there right now because they're taking a break. Yep, there's another one. So those corner workers in those little blue houses, those little blue gazebos, they will fly a flag. If somebody's in trouble, they'll fly a yellow flag. And then as we're driving along, we know that we need to slow down. There's trouble. All right? This is turn 6. We get real close to the gators. See that? Almost touch them. And then we fade all the way to the left. There will be a little bit of break, and we'll turn in. We'll touch these gators. And then we fade all the way to the left again. And this is a long, long, long back straightaway. So we're going to be on this for quite a while. And we can't go very fast. We're supposed to just keep kind of slow.
What's that big sign?
The big sign is advertising oil, and you can walk across that bridge. See how long this straightaway is? It goes for a long, long ways. And then at the end of this long, long straightaway, we kind of bring the car to the right, over to your side. And look, you can see the cars going underneath that bridge. See them clear up there? We try and look as far ahead as we can to see what's going on up there. This is our braking zone. So we're going to brake, 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 brake.
But what's over that CND stuff?
Oh, that's in case you go off. It's going to stop you.
Oh, yeah. It's a rock pit.
It's a rock pit. Exactly right. This is the fun part right here. Look, when you go underneath this bridge, the track goes straight down. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Down we go. We're driving the right line. Those guys aren't. Then we turn in, touch the curbing. Then we go underneath this little bridge. And now we're back to the front. Back to where we started. Do you see that? Yeah, we just did one lap.
Dada must have saw us coming back.
I bet he did. All right, we're going to turn into turn one. See the little gazebo?
Yeah.
That's where a corner worker would be. So when we come around here, we want to stay kind of in the middle of the track. And then we look up ahead. The next one's on our left, but you can't even see it till right here. There it is. There's the corner. Now we're going to hit over the rumble strips. You ready? Here we go. Do you feel them? And now we can look ahead. Do you see the rock pit up there? That's in case...
Which one did you spit out into?
Well, that's the other one. I'll show it to you when we come around, okay? This is called the snake. It's the S's, because it kind of goes back and forth, back and forth. Now we go up a little hill.
Then those people waved flags when you went into the rock pit.
They did, yes. Anytime they see something bad happen, they wave a yellow flag to let everybody know that they need to slow down, that something bad happened. All right, here we go. We're going to turn in. Just going to barely touch these rumble strips. And then we're going to fade all the way to the left. That's nice and smooth. Then we do a brake, and we turn in. Now, we can go down the straightaway. We don't go fast because these are just parade laps. But if Grandpa was driving by myself, at the end of this long straightaway, guess how fast I'd be going? About 155, maybe close to 160. That's really fast. But for these parade laps, we're just going nice and easy and slow, aren't we? So if we're blowing and going down here, I'll probably be about 140, 145, 150 right here. We make this little turn. We still can't see because it's over the hill. That's why those corner workers are so important, because they're all connected with radios. So if something bad's happening, they all know about it, and they can fly a flag to let us know about it. And look how far up you can see. You can see clear up to that other corner worker. Do you see him underneath the bridge? Is that a little blue hut, a little blue roof? So you can see him clear back there. I tell my students all the time, look as far forward as you can. All right, we're going to aim for the little red square. Do you see the red square on the bridge right there? We aim right for that, and then that has us coming right down the hill to where we want to be. Clear right there.
Did you run into that?
Oh no, I forgot to show you the one I went into. It was the one you saw first. The one you saw very first. Do you see the guy flying the checkered flag?
Yeah.
See, he's a corner worker too. Hey, we won the race. Yay for us. We got to take one more lap. This is our last lap. So we're coming down here into turn one. Turn in nice and smooth. There's a corner worker. He's getting back in his station. Some of them will start getting back in their little gazebos. This is turn 2. Just touch that. Then turn 3. See the guy sitting in his chair? He's still taking a little break. Pretty soon he's going to have to stand up and be watching. This is turn 3 and 4.
There's a guy in that house.
Not yet. He's maybe taking a bathroom break.
The guy did.
Like you did, exactly. Yeah, even the corner workers have to take a bathroom break, right?
Yeah.
So that's what they're doing right now. They're not in their little gazebos. They're taking a break, maybe having a little lunch.
I see one at that gazebo.
Do you see him?
Yeah.
Yep, he's getting ready because pretty soon we're going to go back to racing.
There's not one at that gazebo.
Yeah, there's not one there. Let's see if the next one, if there is one, okay?
Yeah, the next one's right up there.
It's right up there. Every corner has a corner worker. We call them corner workers because that's their corner that they're responsible for. Do you see him? Yep, he's sitting underneath his umbrella, isn't he?
Yeah.
All right, here's corner worker number 7. This is the 7th corner. Do you see him?
Yeah.
He's sitting on the side of his cement, isn't he?
Yeah. I see another corner worker.
Yeah, is he in there? Yep. This next one's a really important one because we're really going fast here. Remember I said I'd be at 140 or 150, maybe even 155. And if there's something going on over this hill, I want to know about it. And he's the guy that would tell me right there.
Yeah. Which rock pit did you?
That's this one right in front of us. So I'm going to tell you what happened. I was doing 160 miles an hour, and I'm hard on the brakes. I've got to slow down clear to about 45 to get around this corner. And I only got slowed down to 50. And I went around the corner, and I thought I was going to make it, but the car slid one way. I tried to correct it, and I spun out in this grass right here, and I made it all the way over to those rocks before I stopped. And then I drove back up on the track.
I
And
saw another corner worker.
yep. And here's another one up on our left-hand side.
Yeah.
See him?
Yeah,
Here, wave at him when we go by. Wave at him. All right, now we're going back. We're going back into the pit lane. What'd you think of that?
Good.
Was it
Now
fun?
Now we're diving down.
Now we're going down the hill, but we're going to the pits. We're not going on the track anymore.
I see a corner worker over there.
Yeah, that one. You see this one right here in front of us?
Yeah.
Right there? They never have anybody there. I don't know why, but we never have one there. So did you like that?
Yeah.
Would you like to drive on the track someday?
Yeah.
All right, well, maybe we will.
Look at those coats. They fell over.
No, they point. See, they're pointing. They're pointing. They're saying, here's where you go in. Here's where you go in. That's pretty cool. We're behind a Corvette that's like the one Grandpa used to have.
I don't know who's behind us.
That's a little Subaru is behind us. Small little Subaru. Here, we'll wave at our fans.
Should we wave at Dada?
Yes, we should.
Did you see
fun?
us?
Was it
Did
fun?
Yeah, did you see us going around?
I did. That was cool, wasn't it?
Did you see us diving down the big hill?
Uh-huh. Was it neat?
it to the rock pit.
Oh, we have to tell that story again?
Yeah.
All right. Here, get your seatbelt unbuckled. You know how to do it.
Somebody just walks by and said, "Oh, are you Tom's son?"
Oh,
Yeah,
was it a
the wife of?
Oh, yeah.
Somebody?
Yeah.
She's still over there somewhere, I think.
Yeah, I told him you were coming.
Yeah.
I don't have any.
She was like, "He's great."
I don't have a radio student today.
Oh, you don't?
I'm supposed to be doing check rides, but this guy that's coming over, but Dan is his name, and I went out with him in the yellow group just to kind of show him the